An important element about being human is that we always aim for perfection. Situations, well, you and I know, doesn't always turn out to be perfect. And we begin to depend on comforting words by peers and families, ensuring you that it's good enough. You did what you could. Let it go, man. In which now you are just another part thrown in the basket. I say screw that. You gotta break from the pack.
That's it, I'm out of here.
Put your focus in perspective. Aim for what you want. Research on what you aspire to own and then execute.
Fire!
For us, we're always on the quest to search for the perfect beach, perfect room, perfect view, perfect experience. It was the countless nights of contemplating, is this place good enough?
Yes! Make me believe it! Yes! Yes! Yes!
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy does it feel to be here? I feel I could just shoot myself for being indecisive.
What do you want? What do you want?
It's not that simple.
What do you want?
And there it was. We found a place that was not too far off. An easy travel for the kids. Relaxing, beautiful, scenic, quiet. And of course, it was a slice of paradise. Apparently we have a cool looking view. Gotta check it out. Look at that. I think Redang water never seems to fail. Do you like the water? It's nice, right?
Yes.
Just a little quick tour of this room in Taaras. Should I be cueing the slow-mo right?
Don't wanna fall for some crooked lie, a chase down lonely and highs. I wanna fall in love with the light and break my dark dealing ties. Tonight I need heaven inside me. Oh, I need heaven inside. Don't wanna fall for some crooked lie, a chase down lonely and high.
Yeah, so I'm at this Taaras beach resort and spa with the family. I didn't really intend to actually make a vlog out of this whole thing, but I am just going to be recording today. We'll see how it goes. It could be like a video about drone shots, it could be just captions of what I'm doing with my family. I'll say more things as the days go by. You think the scenery is pretty okay? I think it's okay because I mean the beach, check out, you have to look at the beach. The beach is beautiful here in Redang. I do not know why you need to go really far, but I guess, you know, it's personal preference, but I would love to say that the island here is beautiful in Redang. Much better than Perhentian Island at the moment, slightly more pricier, but Taaras is a nice place to live, to hang out or to stay. It's because the beach is private. It's beautiful. Let's have a look. I'll show you the beach. some important situation that's going on right now. There's like some turtles hatching. Not much happens on this island, so when everybody's here. What's going on?
Turtle hatching.
A load of the tourists have like GoPros stuck right in front of the face of the little baby turtle. Did you see that tourist like had a GoPro, but wait, hold on. So that's my second son, Issa. He's now 1 year old. He looks up to his brother a lot, even though his brother bullies him. But actually the real bully is Issa. Issa bullies Rayan all the time. He seems to be always the quiet type, always observing, but he really packs a punch when he bullies his older brother. He's really close to his mom, pretty much inseparable. And then there's Rayan, my first son. He's a real energy bunny. He's sick in this video. He's not feeling very well. He's got a cough and cold. It's just interesting to see how he just pushes all that sickness away, knowing that he's on the island and he's having a really good time. He just loves to be on holiday. And then there's my wife. That's Win. Even though I think she doesn't know, I know, or I notice, but I know that she always dresses up for each and every one of my videos, and that's pretty cool. And I know she's also enjoying this beach holiday, and she loves the room that we're in. I don't know why I'm sounding like this right now. It's probably because it's 12 o'clock. And I'm editing this video, that's why I sound and look like this. 12. Super duper late. Breakfast, there's my beef, there's more beef, there's some chicken salami, there's some meatball, there's some sausage, there's some pasta. It's like a mixed Western and Asian confusion right here. That's my breakfast today.
I love.
Easy. Do you like this holiday? Do you like this place? Okay, let's go back today. Let's go back to Taman Tun. Let's go to KL. Let's go back. Why not? Indonesia.
Fish, beef, and bihun. So far, food so good.
Right back there, you can see a typical beach hut. I think they're the most expensive huts for this resort because it faces the sea. Nice, right? So we live right up there. That one, right at the end. Also comes with its own little bar. We can order your lunch and as well as your alcohol and your beverages. It faces the beach as well. It's got all these white flags. It looks really nice. So you can have Taaras food, but they like serve Western for lunch. So outside, it's usual being super Asian. It's got like really good Asian food at this food area. So it's the only one that's nearest to Taaras. Here you go. If you're too lazy to walk, that ride just took less than 1 minute. Alright, kasih ba? Okay, sure, it's not much of a walk. You can see it right there. Trust me, a lot of the tourists come here. It's surprising. They come with like their best outfits for dinner and they go to a place like that. The food at Taaras is good, but whoa, slightly on the high end as well. So they don't have like normal stuff like meal goreng, nasi goreng and stuff, man. I'm super Asian. I gotta have my Asian going on right here.
Happy birthday to you. Yay! Look at that. Yay!
Okay everybody, we gotta get back. End of the road for now. Heading back to Kuala Lumpur. So see you guys in the next one. See you guys real soon.